Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am here with another video. I will show you today how you can install Mysql server on your Ubuntu machine. Then let's go ahead. For starting the installation process, you need a terminal window. I am now root user and I will update my OS. Firstly, it might take some time. Yeah, I will clean my window. This time I have to download the Mysql. I have to download the Mysql source file. Yeah, download it. Let's confirm. Yeah, it's here. It's downloaded. What's next? We have to run this file. Let me clean the here. Let's go. Yeah, it's running. It will show you some options here. You have to say okay. Okay, let's update the OS again. Update. We will install now the Mysql server. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to get informed for upcoming videos. Yeah, it's installed. Not now. I have to. This command systemctl, it will check the status of the process for Mysql. Now you can see it's up and running, and if you want to that Mysql next time on boot it gets running, next time on boot, system boot, you have to run the enable command, systemctl enable Mysql. It will enable it for you for the boot process. And what we can do is now let's check if we can log into the server. Yeah, for now you don't have any password, and when you want to try to log in, this -p means your password, and I didn't type any password, and it's now logged in to my Mysql server successfully. Show databases. Now we have just the test database of Mysql. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video informative, then please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the